Computer Science Videos here today to show you guys in this tutorial how to record your presentation on the Keynote application using a Mac computer. Without further ado, let us start the video. So in this tutorial, you need to have access to a Mac computer, have access to the Keynote application which is built into the Mac computer. We can now start the tutorial. Before I start this tutorial, I would like to say that you are more than welcome to subscribe to my channel, Computer Science Videos. As we know, every problem is solved by indirection. You can also follow my Twitter account. We are trying to grow as fast as ever. I'm on TikTok. We post videos here and there. Follow my page on Facebook. I'm also on Instagram. You are more than welcome to support me on PayPal. Let's now focus on the video. So now let's go down to the dock, go to Launchpad, go to the Keynote application, search for the Keynote application, enter to open up the application, wait for that to load. Once that is loaded, let's now go to File, go to Open. This should take us directly to the desktop where we have presentation.key. Click on this, go to Open, wait for that to load. Once that is loaded, now let's go to Play, record the slideshow. What this will do is now take us to the recording section. So if I were to, let's just say, go to the first slide, press the record button, 3, 2, 1, go. Now I am being recorded, so I can give a presentation and record this presentation and then distribute this out to the class, to the audience, to the ones that are viewing this session. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and that is the end of the presentation. I will then stop the video. Let's now click on X. We can now go to the top toolbar again, go to play, and then play recorded slideshow. So this will give us a playback. Now I am being recorded, so I can give a presentation and record this presentation and then distribute this out to the class, to the audience, to the ones that are viewing this session. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And so that's how you record your presentation on the Keynote application. We can now quit Keynote. And so that's it for this video. I'll see you guys in my next tutorial. Thanks for now. Thank you for making it towards the end of the video. Be sure to subscribe to my channel, Computer Science Videos. Be sure to check out the previous video on screen now, or you can ideally click on the playlist and watch all the journey for Computer Science Videos from the start until now.